Hindi naka-swimsuit. Sa Sinshe, hindi nahanap yung swimsuit.
High school graduation, last family vacation, trip to Michigan last year. My yearbook from 7th grade, I tore out every page with me and threw it all away. I know there were more good times than bad, but it's easy to forget when I start looking back. So I know you wanna keep this memory. Can you keep it in the back of your head? 'Cause when I see it in a week, I wish I was dead. I wish I took a picture of you instead.
Be, iano nyo sa dagat, madudumihan yan. Tapos ipapabalon nyo. Paano yan na ano, be? Madudumihan yan.
Holidays, the beach, back, summer break. I don't need proof that I was there. My big brother's wedding. Hope I'm not regretting the dress that I decided to wear.